With triple digits in full gear, everyone in Southern Nevada is feeling the heat. Good evening, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Jessica Moore.
And I'm Jim Snyder. News 3 is your weather authority, and the heat is our top story tonight. We have team coverage for you.
John Trainer will show us how the heat combined with wind to play a big role today in a fire that broke out.
But first, let's see if we all want to shoot the messenger after we hear what Kevin Janison has to say. We get even hotter from here.
I'll be ready to duck, that's for sure. The excessive heat watch actually doesn't even go into effect until Thursday. That's when we expect the temperatures to top 110. In the meantime, we have to deal with a couple of days of 109. Right now, a decent view of some helicopters flying around the strip from our camera on top of the D downtown in Las Vegas Valley, which has seen the temperature dip into double digits valley-wide after 10 hours in triple digits today. Even around the edges, we have some upper 80s. It's almost worth opening the window or going outside and enjoying that because we haven't seen too much of that. However, we had high temperatures as hot as 106, 107 on the east side of town, 106 degrees downtown. Outside the valley, look at the lake, still at 103, Boulder City at 90, and high temperatures as hot as 114 in Laughlin, 111 in Overton. We are going to be cooking from that point on. We'll talk more about the excessive heat watch and show you exactly where those numbers should land as we get toward the weekend and beyond. Those details coming up, Jim.
All right, Kevin, sounds good. Thank you.